Welcome back, team. Let's quickly make some home yogurt. In there is 300 gram of milk. You dissolve it with cold water, and then I added 150 gram of milk, of sugar, yeah, because this is a sweetened yogurt. You also completely dissolve it, and then the next is to add some hot water. To each 100 gram of milk you have 1 liter of water, yeah, depending on how thick that you want it. You can use half of that. So after the dissolving and everything, I cleaned the bucket for inoculation, and I turned everything over to that bucket and I allowed it to cool. Now when you pasteurize with hot water, you're going to add up cold water, so you're going to be dividing the quantity of water you're using into two, and that was what I did here. Sorry, because I fast forwarded it, so you didn't see that part. Now I have to allow it to cool down to 37 degrees. Once it's at that degrees Celsius, then it's good for inoculation. Right in here, I'm inoculating our starter culture. This is live active culture. Yeah, this is live bacteria, and you just have to also be mindful of the quantity you use, because this is very active. If you overuse it, your yogurt is going to come out slimy. Yeah, so I just added the quantity that I need here, and I'm going to use a whisk to just turn it, and then after that we'll cover it and then wrap it up in a nylon and leave it to ferment for 16 hours. If you have a fridge that you don't use, or you have microwave that you don't use, you can just put it in there. It just needs a warm place to be able to ferment. And remember, I said that it is 100 gram of milk to 1 liter of water. That is the ratio. And then if you are using 300, maybe you're using 3 liters of water, so you can use 150 to cool it down and use 150 to pasteurize. Yes, okay. So at this time, I want to say a very big welcome to you all. Welcome back to this channel. This is Keeps Out. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Please do support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing my video. On here, I do a lot of things that has to do with food, guys. Yeah. So this is time for inoculation. Covering it for fermentation, and we're just going to tie it up, and it will stay for 16 hours. You can actually do 8 hours, you can do 12 hours. The standard is actually 8 hours, but if you want it to be more tart or come out, more formed, you can leave it to stay longer. So I actually leave my own for 16 hours. Please, I'm sorry about the background song that you're hearing. That's the church close to my house, and today is Sunday, so you can't stop them. Okay, so guys, after 16 hours, let us open it and see how it has formed. Please, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, kindly help me give it a thumbs up. Do well to help me share my videos. This is Keeps Out. I teach you how to cook mouth-watering dishes without cubes, and I do crazy foods here. Yeah. So let's open it and see. Oh wow, do you see that? How it has curdled up? Like, this really fermented well, guys. It has curdled up, and what you're seeing on top is the curd, and then the down you'll be seeing the whey. That is the water has separated from the milk. So the milk has formed the curd, and you see how creamy. My God. Whoop. You need to test this right now, guys. I'm telling you, it was so yummy when I tasted it. Okay. So yummy, so creamy, and that was the one I tasted. So sorry I'm not giving you. I'm so sorry you're not here to taste it. Okay, now I'm going to be separating some. I'm going to be taking some away, because from this video, I'm going to teach you how to do Greek yogurt. From this same video, I'm going to teach you how to do flavored yogurt, and we're doing strawberry actually. So I'm taking out some quantity for that purpose. Taking out one part, taking out another part for another, maybe the Greek, either of them. I just want to use one stone to kill 3 birds. Yeah. Now I'm taking the place that has more of the water, because this is Greek, and that one will be used for Greek. And Greek, what makes the yogurt a Greek yogurt is because it's going to be strained. So you're going to be seeing that process. Every other thing is the same. So I'm done taking out the ones to use for other stuffs, and then here the next thing will be to break the cord. You see the way, you see the water, so we're going to be breaking it, and that's what we're doing right now. And you're going to do this gradually and in the same motion, so that you don't have to overdo it or forcefully do it. If you forcefully do it or overdo it, you're going to break it, it's going to lose its consistency. So you have to be very careful while doing this. If you have what do you call it, electric whisk, you can also use it. So yogurt is ready, guys, and then we're just ready to bottle up and store in the fridge. This was looking so yummy, and by the time it cools down, by the time it's chilled in the fridge, it will come out very thick, like very thick. I mean, this is a super thick drinking yogurt. Look at how nice it is. So it's time for bottling. I don't know if this part is actually the part I love most, because at this point I just feel everything is done. Yeah, so I actually got 3 bottles from this, and a little remaining after that. Okay guys, this is sweetened creamy yogurt. This is actually my label, even though I have changed from this label because of trademark. Yeah, so this is it, and guys, you need to have a taste of my yogurt. Now Licky Mouth food yogurt, you need to have a taste of it, and I can actually send you if you let me know where you are and then how you want it. Okay, on this note, I'm going to call it a day. Hope you're giving it a thumbs up. Until I see you in my next video. Bye.